In this video, I will show you how to fix a printer that is printing uneven or with blank lines on the receipt. First, disconnect the power and USB cable from your printer. Second, open the printer paper door. Third, you want to remove the paper from your printer. Next, reach inside the printer for the print head, which is the silver bar inside, and squeeze down gently a few times on the print head. Once done, go ahead, replace the paper inside of the printer, and close the print head door. Go ahead and reconnect your power and USB cable, and your printer should be printing clearly again.